Here's the cabin. There's 2 bumper beds. It's 1 per person, 2 per person. And here's the bathroom. And then, let's see, shower, water heater, and then they gave us a crate of utensils. And a kettle. And then here's the refrigerator and a curtain.
So what you're going to do is take this carabiner here and you're going to clip onto this green band, okay? So make sure that it goes on, and then you're going to be closing the gate, okay? Now closing the gate is very simple. You just have to screw it until you can't see red anymore. Red is dead. And then, most importantly, you're going to do this. You're going to tap down on the gate to show Jake that it's closed, okay? And you're going to do all this all the way back from the edge, okay? So once Jake's over there, he's going to check that my gate's closed. Jake?
Gate closed, John. Excellent, well done.
And like I say, until you've done that tapping on the gate, you're not safe, okay? Once you've done that though, you're absolutely fine to start working your way towards the edge, okay?
Hey guys, we did an abseiling a mountain, 20 meters down a mountain. Now we're gonna do an Evo bike. Food for evening and tomorrow. Now we're going hiking down the Wadi.